Hi, I'm Mickey Keenan, your personal injury attorney in Tampa, Florida. We help auto accident victims get the money they deserve so they can get back to living. Florida leads the nation in auto accidents. So if you live in Florida, you're probably going to get into an auto accident. But don't worry, Florida is a no fault state. No fault? What does that even mean? Well, today we're going to talk about the three main points of Florida no fault law. First main point about Florida no fault law is personal injury protection, PIP or PIP. If you have an auto insurance in the state of Florida, you carry PIP. It's required. Everybody has to have it. If you don't carry insurance in the state of Florida, you could get your license suspended. PIP, PIP, what is that? Well, if you're in an accident, regardless of who's at fault, so that's no fault, your own insurance company under the PIP coverage is going to pay 80% of your medical bills. That's 80% up to $10,000. Well, if it pays 80%, what happens to the other 20%? Well, that other 20% is where fault comes into play. If you're responsible for the accident, then you're responsible for your medical bills, that 20% or anything above the $10,000 that PIP will provide. If you're not at fault for the accident, then you could go after the other driver, the other driver's insurance, or even your own uninsured motorist coverage to pay for that 20%, any medical bills above the $10,000, and any money for your pain and suffering. Are there other rules related to Florida no fault? You betcha. There are tons of rules. We got our 14-day rule, our EMC evaluation rule, our deductibles. We got all kinds of rules. But don't worry about it. You don't need to know them because we do. If you're in an accident, regardless of who's at fault, give us a call at Mickey Keenan PA and we'll walk you through the process.